In this video, I will show you how to create subreddit in Reddit. First, as you want to take off that selection, you need to tap on your profile icon on your right upper side. As you get right there, the main point on that selection, it is to get on set on your right section. As you get here, go on the second selection, which is create a community, the first side section, then select the name of that community. You're gonna go with for that name, for example, then select if you want to get the type for public or private or simply restricted. I will go for public. Then you can select the age restriction if you want. After you get done with all that stuff, go create community on that blue line section, and as you get done with all that stuff, you can simply add an interesting title right here. As you get done with all that stuff, you can add image, photo, and all that stuff. You can text, you can take off for a link session or pool. And then when you're ready, go next on your right upper side, and you can schedule the post if you want. If you don't want, you can simply post it right now on that